Hello everyone, Jai Hind. Welcome back in the Salesforce LWC course series. And today, in day 26, we are going to learn parent component to child component communication. In day 25, we started with the communication and we understood that what all are the patterns in which two components can interact with each other. Now, in day 26, we are starting with parent to child communication. Parent to child communication, which means that we will be sending the data from parent to child. Now, we have the four possible or four, the mechanism which help us in transferring the data from parent component to child component. One is slot. Second one is API enabled properties of child component. Third is API enabled method of child component. Fourth is child components getter. Now we have, the four mechanism or four ways. Using these four, we have to pass the data of parent to child. Now, I am going to divide this day 26 into the parts. So, in day 26 B, I am going to start with slots. Slot. Okay. Now, the four, the methods which you are seeing on your screen, they have their own purposes, own limitations. So we will, we will learn in depth about all these four methods in each part. So we'll meet you again in day 26 part B, where I will be covering the slot. And, then in the day 26 part C, I will be covering, the second, the way and so on. So keep revising. We'll meet you again soon in the next, episode, which will be released on the coming Monday. Till then, take care of yourself and your country. Jai Hind.